Happy New Year to everybody. I didn't say Happy New Year too. It's still Happy New Year. I guess we can say Happy New Year till what? Valentine's Day? It still will be a new year. That's a good question. When do you stop saying Happy New Year? Because if you haven't seen somebody this year and you happen to see them in the store, just say it's March, and you haven't seen them, you can say Happy New Year because you haven't seen them this year. What do you think about that? So I haven't been on here in a minute. Haven't done a live in a minute. So, and I believe it's what, the 3rd? So it's still Happy New Year. So how's everybody doing? I can't really see. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. All I'm doing is just cleaning up the kitchen. Can I get a little tap, 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 please? It's a new year. Use those thumbs, please. I know they still working. I know they do. That's just a good way of saying hello, how are you? I'm just in here cleaning up the kitchen right quick, and I said, you know what? I might as well just go live and see how everybody's doing, how everybody's New Year was. I don't do New Year's resolution, but anybody in the chat have a resolution or a solution to, I won't say a problem, but you know, a lot of people say, okay, they're going to stop doing this, or they're going to do more, or they're going to travel, they're going to lose weight, or they eat healthier. That's me, eat healthier. And I definitely need to lose weight. I'm on a weight loss journey, and I do need to do more. But it's not a resolution. I had already started it. I've been on a weight loss journey for a minute. I had the VSG a couple years back, and I did gain some due to medication, and that's what I'm working on. Getting back down. My goal is at least 20 to 25 pounds. That's what I want to lose. So that's the goal. Now when you hear people say, I got goals, it can be any goal. Your goal may not be my goal. Vice versa. You know what I mean? So I want to say everybody have goals. There are things that, you know, we want to do, want to stop doing, want to add, you know. So I'm doing some cleaning up here. That's what I am doing. This fry thing over here. What you guys eat today? Anybody cooking now? I know sometimes people cook and eat late. That's another thing. It's not good. Eating late. I gotta find some healthier snacks. Because you know, late at night, sometimes you want a snack. So I do drink protein and all that good stuff. Get all my protein in. I do that faithfully. Okay. Welcome, welcome everybody. Welcome in. Don't forget to engage with each other. Can I get a few taps, please? If you're in here, I see you in here, and I thank you. But guess what? The taps are free. Tapping the screen is free. You don't have to pay a thing. It's free. Free, free, free. Don't cost nothing. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Thank you. Show the love. Thank you so much. That's how you do it. I'm almost done here. I should have did this earlier. Now when you eat, you get honey, you get itis. That's why I got itis. Then I felt myself getting kind of sleepy. I said, let me get up. Get this kitchen clean. I don't want to be here in the morning trying to cook breakfast and then gotta wash dishes before I cook breakfast. Nah. I don't want to do that. I do have a dishwasher, y'all. Some old school. I use it now. I do use it. But it's not that many to wash. Not that many. Not that many. And I do I got my small air fryer. I got a large one, a huge one. It makes sense to bring that one out, especially when you're doing something small. So, all right. Now I want to put some of this stuff up. Okay, got a bag. That in there. Got a bag will hit the trash. Okay. See if I can get rid of some of this stuff over here. Make room for stuff over here. So, any plans for the weekend? Anybody got any plans? I forgot to put this in there. It gotta dry anyway. What you got planned for the weekend? Me, I'm probably just gonna do some organizing a few things I need to organize. Get rid of some stuff. Now that's the plan. You know how we make plans and then something come up. A lot of times I don't like to make plans because that's what happens. Something come up. But that's life though. Part of life. Okay. Get this all done. All right. Not gonna take me too long. I actually had more than I thought I had. Okay. Get this out over here. I know I'm making a lot of noise over here, y'all. Okay. Making a whole lot of noise. This goes to the air fryer. I forgot to put it in there, but I'm gonna let it wait till it dry. So I'll put that in there. What this is? There we go. So once they're dry, then I can put all those together. That. Okay. I put over here so they're dry. These are really dry. All right. I know Christmas is over. I hope everybody got what they wanted and what they needed. All right, now I got some more seasonings. I have seasonings. I just don't like to get low. But I was out of pepper. Didn't even know I was out of pepper until I was like looking for it. So, and I'm a bargain shopper. Yes, I am. I'm a bargain shopper. So if anybody be like, oh, she got great bread, I sure do. I got Italian seasoning. I got lemon pepper seasoning. I got me some minced onion. I got garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder. That's it. I got other stuff too, but that's all put up. So I gotta put these up. And when I do my season, I like to have them kind of organized a certain way. So that way when I reach up to get what I need and I know where I put it. So. And two, that helps you, you know what you do have, what you need, stuff like that. So that's why I do it like that. I know when I'm out of something. Stick this over here. That'll be out the way. Just gonna try right over here. Just like that. It's out the way. Okay. See if I can say hello to everybody. I'm gonna go. What's that? Sexy Money Girl. 2 peas in the pot. I like that. I like that name. I'm gonna say Melton. 2 peas in the pot again. Keep going. It's Janelle, Pam, Nana, yeah, Bernice, Nicholas, Joy. Is that Rena? I'm saying Diaz, Nicholas, Tanya. Is that Valencia? That's Freddie. Yolette, Nene, Peggy, Valenti, Cam, Mark, Queen King. Somebody user number, Nana, say Lay. Is that Taya, Mary, Yanni, Black, Tony, Jimmy. Is that Lionel? Sonny? Is that Werwer? Caesar? Hello? Jesus? Ruth? Okay, Clintana? Chad? Kristen? Welcome in, everybody. Is it Ambish? Elise? Kens? Madeline, Monique, Love It Here, Sharon, Corto, user number, Ivy, Dwight, am I saying that right? Sharon, Gary, Ross, Gerald, Peggy, someone know, Tingo, Cornez, if I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry, Sassy. I'm not gonna say this one right. ABES Vincent. I'm sorry. Tim, Soup, Haddock, Harold. All right. Hope I didn't miss anybody. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for the love. Okay. Okay, let me sweep up here real quick. I got mats down, so. Okay, guys. You need somebody here? Oh. I thought my hubby was coming in here because he knows we come in the kitchen. I'm going to put him to work, y'all. I'm going to put him to work. He heard and said, no. I said, you got to come in here. He was like, no. He know. I'm going to put him to work, y'all. But I'm about done. See how they... Now listen, man. You see how y'all do? You know when your wife or your girl is almost done, then y'all want to come in. Y'all want to come and see what's going on. Mm-hmm. Y'all ain't sleep. Ladies, if you're in here and your husband do that, put him to work. Give him something to do. Put him to work. All right. is like laid back weekend, relaxing weekend. I am like I told you about, I'm on a weight loss journey, and I don't want to deprive myself from eating what I want. So once a month, I'm gonna eat whatever I want. And today, I did that, and I did a mukbang on another social media. But one thing about doing, I'll probably show you guys what I had, but I still can't eat that much. I went to Wing Master. I got the 5 wings, the teriyaki. I got the fries. Oh my God, they give you so many fries. Like they give you a bag of fries, it seemed like. Okay, and a Philly steak. Okay, that was lunchtime. Okay, for lunch, I had maybe a quarter of that sub. No lie, a quarter of it, because I did a mukbang. I had a fruit, maybe 6, I say 6 fries, because they was big, the ruffle kind. And I ate 2 wings, because I got the 5. So you get 5 wings, you get the sub, there's a nice size. That was for lunch. For dinner, I had the same thing. But for dinner, what I did, I cut another piece of the sub off and ate some fries. I didn't eat the chicken. So tomorrow for lunch, I'm going to eat the rest of it. I can't eat all that. But you know, I wanted it. I wanted that taste. I knew I wasn't going to be able to eat it. I know it's going to take me a while to eat it. But it was so good. It was worth the money. So I got my money worth. Honey, let me tell you, I don't waste no food. So I'm going to have that for lunch tomorrow. And for dinner, I'm going to have me a salad. I already got everything for my salad. So I'm going to have my salad. Because I feel if you're on a diet, right, and it's something that you want, if you don't get it, you'll eat too much of it. That's just my thought. Maybe I'm wrong, but I know somebody in the chat agree with me. Because you feel like you know you want it, and you sit down, wait, and then once you get it, you know what I'm saying, you don't waited so long to get it, then you've ate too much of it. So I got it, I enjoyed it and everything. So I already know what I'm having for lunch tomorrow. All right, now guys, what I'm gonna do? I appreciate everybody coming. I truly do, and we're gonna do this more often. I'm gonna do more lives. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Be safe. Be encouraged, and have fun. Do something exciting, something fun. Or if you don't want to, you don't work all week. Chill. Have your chill day. Good night. Love you guys. Bye.